Hey everyone! This week I decided to do a wet look on my newly finished front stairs. We had them reconstructed not too long ago and I wanted to bring out the color a bit more. So I thought I'd show you the effect before and after. Now I'll be transparent. I didn't use the most professional techniques or the perfect tools for it, but I still ended up pretty happy with how it looks. I figure it might be useful to share in case any of you are thinking about doing something similar at home. The stone I work with is Flagstone, and unfortunately, the workers left some grout marks on it. So, the first step was obviously to clean that up. I grabbed the Grout Haze remover that I've just shown from Home Depot and I tested it on a small spot first just to make sure it worked. Once I saw it was doing the job, I went ahead and applied to all stones that I needed it. I didn't really follow the proper instructions with what tools to use because honestly, I didn't want to spend extra money. I just used a regular sponge, and for the removal, I grabbed a simple spatula to scrape it off. And you know what? It worked just fine, you'll see. The biggest thing with this product is making sure you wash it off really thoroughly once you are done. And besides all that, more importantly, it's really important to wear a mask and gloves while you are working with this stuff just to keep it safe. After testing the Grout Haze remover on a small spot, I went ahead and cleaned all the spots that needed it. There were quite a few, so it took me a couple of hours to get everything done. I wanted to make sure I really removed all the grout marks, dust, and anything else that was dirty on the tiles. Once I finished cleaning, I washed the stairs thoroughly and let everything dry completely before moving on. Sealing stairs is actually really important for a few reasons. It helps protect the stone from water and dirt, makes cleaning easier in the future. That's 100% true. And really brings out the cool color and texture of the stone. I say like it's 100% true because I've already tried it on my patio in the back last year. Even though this is a smaller DIY project, taking the time to clean and prep properly makes a huge difference in the final look and keeps the stairs lasting longer. I gave the stairs a good wash to remove any remaining dust and then just let them dry completely. After everything was fully dry, I went ahead and I applied the wet look sealer that I picked up from Home Depot. This really brings out the color of the flagstone, which you will see at the end. After the stairs were fully dry, I started applying the wet look sealer. I used a regular broom to spread it evenly across the flagstone. You don't need anything fancy, just make sure you cover all the surfaces. I didn't follow every single instruction from the product, mostly because I wanted to keep it simple. Once thing I quickly realized that the sealer is really sticky. It's kind of like a glue. So the most important part is that once you apply it, don't stop in the middle or walk on the stairs while it's drying. Even small steps can leave marks or uneven spots. I just went slowly, spreading the sealer evenly and making sure I didn't miss any spot, to be honest. It takes time. You can use a brush for corners or edges if you really want to. If not, I think the job is going to be just fine. Finally, after everything was applied, I let the stairs sit and dry completely for at least 24 hours. This is the key. Rushing it or walking on it too soon will mess up the finish. Once it's fully dry, you'll see that it's going to look a little bit shiny and protected. And if you really want to, you can apply an additional layer. If you have any other questions about the process, feel free to leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY content like this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.